This is the simplest e-commerce website that I have made using CSS and HTML. This is how it looks like. This is definitely home and about us. In this section I have discussed about who we are. Hot deals, this is the special discount hot deals section. There is only one product here up till now. We can add as many as we want. This is the frequently asked questions people usually ask. They can scroll through and go through from here. And this is the contact us page. I have not used any JavaScript or jQuery or something like that fancy, but it's just a simple website which is pretty static, not a dynamic website. So you can fill out the form, write your complaints here, and whenever you click submit feedback, it will say thank you, your valuable feedback has been received. In real life, no feedback has been received because I haven't done any JavaScript or any fancy thing. It's just a prototype of my website, sell to buy. And here are some categories from where you can find different categories: men wears, jeans, shirts, shoes. For example, if you want to choose jeans, here are different kinds of jeans, and just hover on the image and you will find the name and the price and the contact number. Women wear, jeans, tops, services, electronics, smartphone, laptops, fashion, kids. You can do much more on this website, but it's just a prototype. As I said, it's basically a project that has been assigned me from my internship program. You can see the latest items here on the top on the home page, and to view more you can press view more. Here you can see the prices also, prices and the contact number and contact person name. So that's pretty much. As I said, it's just a simple HTML and CSS website. If you like this, please comment down below and share some of your thoughts what I can do more in it. And thanks for watching.